All right, COM103 students, I dragged a file onto your desktop and you executed the file and you loaded the software. So once you loaded the software, you'll get multiple icons on your desktop. The only one you're going to use is this one, the one that says Visual SuperScript. So just double click on that and it'll open up to the login screen. So right now, we're doing the replicator step. So what we're going to do is we're going to set up your account and then we're going to add in the data. That way you can use the information that's in the lab manual, right? The current information. So if you're following along on your instructions, over there, then you're at the replicator step. So all you gotta do is type in replicator, R-E-P-L-I-C-A-T-O-R, replicator. All right, there's no password. You just push continue. All right, where does it say we go next? In the instructions. Which tab do we go to? Which one? Before that, we gotta go to options, right? Did you go to options? Yeah, and then you go to user, right? So step by step in the instructions. So once you get user, it's going to bring you up this, and it's going to bring whoever the last person was. So it's all grayed out. You can't make any changes until you push new, right? So now right here is the new icon. So that blank page, that's the new icon. You're going to click on that, and you're going to set up your username and password. So make it easy, all right? So if your first name is Timothy, guess what your username and password is? Timothy, Timothy. Make it that easy, all right? Don't worry about case. Just make it all lowercase. So if I'm Timmy, T-I-M-M-Y, how many letters? I think you need longer. Timmy Tom. All right, just use the same, something that's easy for you to remember. Secret question. Make sure it's something easy. I just put the password in. All right, we're not saving lives here, just whatever, something that's easy. Active, and make sure you have pharmacy technician selected. All right, once you have that, that's it. All you gotta do is save. And then that's the save icon. Right, so just go ahead and click save. You set up a username and a password, and you gave it technician, pharmacy technician level rights. And then just save. Initials can't be blank. Okay, forgot the initials. Down here, initials. TT, and then this will be Timmy Tom. All right, so put in initials and your name, and then I think I'll let you save. All right, then I'll let you save. So once it's saved, it's grayed out. You can't make changes, so just go ahead and close it. Right. So once you close that dialog box, go ahead and log out. So now you're logging out of a replicator. Right, so that's the first step. So the first thing you did was you added a username. Now you are gonna replicate the documents, the data. Now this time your user is gonna be admin, A-D-M-I-N, and everyone's password is 123456 Don't change it, because there's no way to retrieve it. So I just leave mine 123456 and then never change it. Click continue. This time, what tab do we go to? If you guys are following along in the instructions. We entered admin 123456. So that's the replicator. We did that. We logged out. Now we gotta go to modules. All right, so go to modules. What's next? What's after modules? then go to Instructor Tools, and then you're going to do Records Replication. And then for you guys, you can use all users, and then click all for data sets you want to replicate, and then push replicate. So specific data sets will be replicated, so whatever you selected, in this case just select all. Click yes, give it a moment, and now it is ready to go. Once it's done, log out of admin and double check that you can log in with that username and password you just created. So records are replicated. You got that new data for the new edition of the textbook. Click OK. You can close this dialog box, log out, and then try your username and password you just made up. So I was Timmy Tom. And yeah, so Timmy Tom's able to get in. And then once we start adding labs 1 and 2, we'll see if your data came through. So go ahead and give that a try, and I'll come around and help you guys out.